In this video, we will use P3 modules for demonstration. Open the HD Player software. First, we need to debug the screen. Click on Hardware Settings and enter the password 888 or 168. Click Screen Configuration. Check in Hub 7512, then click Smart Settings. Module information with P64. Select the chip by CN2037. Select the decoding TC7 to Fin 8. You can find it on the back of the module. Check in more than 16 scan. Click Next Step. Adjust different colors. This depends on the screen. Next, determines the line height and scanning mode of a set of RGB data controls based on the screen display. Final step, trace dotting. Click Send and Curing. Back to HD Player. Setting, Screen Setting. Expand to set the rotation angle. Click Send to send the project. After successful sending, programs can be rotated.